Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to test out my Proscenic robot vacuum cleaner. Let's see how well it cleans. So I'm just going to use the remote control to turn it on, and let's see whether it cleans well and what the noise level is. I guess I would just press the start button to clean. Let's see. Let's see if the remote even works. Oh, there we go. It's starting. It's starting. It's definitely more quiet compared to the iRobot 675. I haven't cleaned my place in maybe a week or more than 1 week, maybe 1 to 2 weeks. And so I'm sure it has accumulated a lot of dust in this room. So let's see how much dust it can collect. So far it's doing a good job. It is sort of like following a pattern instead of going everywhere, bouncing around like the iRobot 675. So I really like how it's following a certain pattern. Hello, I'm back again. So let's take a look at the robot. Okay, it's pretty dusty here. Gets kind of dusty here, and then the bottom. That's how it looks. And okay, I'm just going to take out the bin to see what we've got. So to take out the bin, you're supposed to press on this and then pull. Pull, there we go. Let's see what we have. Oh, okay. Do I just open it? Oh, there we go. Wait, how do I open it? Oh, ew, yuck. Oh no, so dusty. Oops. I should do this. I'm glad I'm wearing a mask right now, but I shouldn't open it right here. I should go to my patio, my yard, or just outside to do this. But anyways, because I'm doing a video, so I just, okay. Okay, so that's all the dust that's inside on my hair. This is all the dust from my room. Oh, yuck. And remember I showed you the other day how they included this little brush to kind of You can use that to actually clean off all the dust in this bin. But right now I don't have the brush in front of me. It's downstairs, so I have to run down later to get it. But I mean, you know, it's doing a pretty good job. Now I'm going to go ahead and try the mopping function. Let's see how that works, okay? And then we'll come back later. Hi guys, welcome back. So I have just filled up the bin with water earlier. So this is a different bin that I just used to vacuum. This is the bin where we can fill up the water so that we can use this mopping cloth to mop the floor. I think this is the 2-in-1. This actually also vacuums and mops at the same time. Or if you prefer, you can just use it to mop. So it's up to you if you want to do two functions at once, or you want to just focus on, you know, mopping. I believe if I turn it over, it's going to be all wet. Well, no, actually no. This is all the water I filled up. I filled to the maximum. Let's test this out. Just press start. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's mopping. You see?